Okay, hello. Welcome everyone to this week's video. We're closing out the year. Not as expected. I thought I was going to be painting, but as I learned, if you're in a flow design-wise, you should just stick with it, finish it out, however long that leads you. So I think this month I'm just gonna close off wrapping up the this series, this first iteration of packaging. I also tried my hand at something that I've been working towards since that first idea about reimagining these Pokemon box arts. So this one in particular, it was the Japanese and American box art for a blue version. So just reimagining those, seeing where that product design takes us, all that you learn from the official ones, you taking you to your own, and I'm trying to as well add my own spin with some paper choices, design choices, product design choices, just design overall. So this is where we're at. This version 1. You'll see some just some flat artwork, and then the one I'm really looking forward to, you can see in the video now, it's the full-on box prototype. So it has depth. You can fold it. I tried to make a template for it. So the first iteration is, again, work in progress. There's still some things to work out, but I'm really excited about just the overall product that you're seeing. It takes up more space on the shelf. You can still thinking about how you can display this, if it's going to be like displayed on the wall, if you can hang it. So all those ideas, as well as paper choice, is things that I'm still working through. But this is where we're at. This was the art progress this week, and we'll end off with just a look at the early stages. I think this is 2-3 years ago, maybe. Early stages for our Blastoise painting, and just looking at some zoomed in details. Okay, we'll end off the video there. We'll let you guys finish it. Thanks again for tuning in. Newsletter will be linked below. That's still a work in progress. I should have one out this week. If you care to try that, see a little bit more back end about sketching, and it's still just a work in progress overall. So all right, we'll end the video off there. Thanks again, everyone. Happy Friday. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and weekend.